All right, so these two posts are rotted out, and we're going to change these posts out for this woman today. She's selling her home, and this was one of the stipulations to the sale. They've got post bases under it, but it doesn't appear that they are fastened to the concrete in any way because this one's slipped out. Ours will be, and I'll show you how to do it right after this. Back her up. The other way. There you go. Now let me show you how to do this again. Pay attention.
Yeah.
Simple. Hold here and hold here. Frank. Now this is completely straight. Okay.
Where is it nailed up there? Yep.
So this here is a plastic Simpson strong tie. It's the post standoff. It keeps the post from sitting directly onto the concrete so it doesn't soak up water. They come in plastic, and I've seen them in aluminum, like this is the one that was under there. I'm not reusing that one. I'm putting the plastic one under because I like them better, but you could use either one.
No.
Five and a half. 5 and a half. And you want that. You're not gonna have much of a choice. But it's leaning here, and that's part of the problem, is that this is all chewed up here.
What causes that?
That's the way they put it in, I guess.
Oh.
Mark a hole right there. That's where we're going to drill down. So we're going to center this on the bottom. These are treated screws, so they're made for pressure treated lumber. This way they don't rot away, because pressure treated lumber will rot away with like a drywall screw or any kind of screw that's not treated for it. So you take this drill bit bottoms out when the chuck hits that. So you bring it to the chuck hits that tells you the depth of it. We're going to go a little bit narrower, shorter than that. This way we don't make it too long. And we know if that is to that line and sticking out of here,
We wanted to go into the ground, you know, about that far right there. So this is where we're going to cut it. Now we know that that is tight. See how tight it is? And then we'll drill a hole in there, and that's going to sit in the hole, and we're going to epoxy it in place. So this one is all ready to go, minus the hole over there. So we're going to do that first. Let's get prepared to drill a hole in the concrete and put the first post in. Alright, so that's just temporarily in there. We just got the jack, we lowered it so the roof would come down and hold it in place. Just want to make sure it's perfectly plumb. And then we're going to lock it in down there and lock it in up above. Jack it back up so you can take it out. That's good.
I got the epoxy here.
Pull the hole right up. Alright, there you go. Alright, so the epoxy is in. Put this in the hole. We'll jack this up. Right there. Let her down.
Put her down.
Let her down a little bit. That's good. Make it level. Level and hammer, please.
Here's the hammer.
How about you watch us do the next one on time lapse? I think that'd be more interesting. Now that you know what's expected, let's go for it.
We hope you learned something from this video. Most people, when they install porch posts, they don't put the threaded rod in the bottom of it. They don't drill a hole, and they definitely don't usually epoxy it. But that is absolutely the best way. This way, if you get wind that comes up underneath and it lifts the roof a little bit, it doesn't pull the bottom of the post off the concrete slab. If you get somebody that hits it with a rider lawnmower or something like that, you also don't have to worry about it moving the post and dropping the roof down on top of them. It's absolutely the safest way to install them, and it's the correct way to install them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer all questions as long as I can. Right now we have about 1,700 subscribers. We want to grow this channel more than that, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so today. It's your way of saying, hey, thanks for making this video and taking time out of your day to put this all together for us. We'll see you next time. So you take this drill bit bottoms out when the chuck hits that. So you bring it to the chuck hits that tells you the depth of it. We're going to go a little bit narrower, shorter than that. This way we don't make it too long. And we know if that is in there like that, and then sticking out of here, we want it to go into the ground.